Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix network problem on your phone Infinix Smart 5 x657. First must you have an data file on your computer. If you don't have this file, search on Google, write this Jeff Mobile Software, then click search, and write this. Click search here. And open here. Then click here, write this x657 vrm. Click search here. Click this post after open. Then click download. To open NCK box or dongle setup to start repair the phone. Three, select backup restore. 4, click restore from meta mode. Five, then connect your phone to starting process. After that you will be solved your phone problem like no service, emergency, Emei problem. Thanks to watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates.